What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
All right, man. This is the video that you guys have been waiting for. Our thoughts on this market crash. Look, man, the stock market is cyclical. We've been saying that since day one. And right now, the market appears to be going through a correction. Personally, I am down thousands on my account. And I'm not worried about that because in the end, I plan to invest forever. And that's how you develop and grow wealth. So right now, what I recommend in a time like this, do not sell any of your stocks if they're stocks that you believe in. Now, if you're a day trader or a swing trader, I'm going to leave that one up to you, but I'm not selling any stocks, period.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that, man. And like I've mentioned before, I've seen market corrections a couple times in my investment career, right? So in December 2018, January 2019, the market had a correction. You can even call it a crash if you want to. That's cool. I think I lost somewhere between 50% of my market value, but that's only a paper loss, right? It's not actual loss in your money unless you sell. So I went and I just held through that storm, man. That's all you can do at this point. And then if you think about March 2020, when the illness was around, you know, the market had a major crash. But then when that major crash happened, what happened after that? There was an even better bull market after that. So historically, if there's a crash, there's gonna be a more intensified bull market. So that's what I'm anticipating in the week coming up, or maybe even a month from now. So I'm not selling any of my positions. At the most, I'll continue to add to my positions.
Hey, man, that's wonderful advice, man, because personally, what I'm going to do over here is now I'm going to take an opportunity to buy all the long plays that I want. So I'm loading up on Tesla. I plan to put a significant amount of money in Tesla over the next couple of weeks, because I think in 10 years, Tesla has some 10x potential still living in it, because Tesla is not only a car company, they're also an energy company. And I think that's going to pay out big dividends. So I'm looking at Tesla. I'm going to, there's another company I'm going to talk about in the next video. I'm going to buy more shares of. I'm going to re-up on Plug while it's on discount. I'm going to buy more. Hey, NIO's under $50. That might be a time to buy, because at the end of the day, this is an emotional response to what's going on in the market. The market has a correction. People get scared to sell. I heard somebody that was down 10 to 20% on the stock saying, man, this might be time to take profits. I'm like, no. If you're still in the green after this correction, you definitely don't sell.
Yeah, I mean, on top of that, even if you're in the red in your position, that just means you have the dollar cost average, right? I'm in a play APXT and I believe in the company, and I'm going to keep adding to that position. I have 575 shares right now and it's sitting around $15. I'm not afraid of the price point that it's at. It's at $12.80, $12.90. I believe that after this market correction, we're going to see gains of 50%. Or even 100%. I think it has a potential to 2x. So why would I sell my position? Because I still own shares in AvePoint. I like that company. I believe in that company. So why would you take profit in a losing market? You only sell when it's green, baby.
No, I definitely understand that too, man. But I think what it comes down to most, Devin, is the psychology of humans, right?
Yeah.
We're fight or flight. And right now in the stock market, they've removed fight, right? There's no way to finagle your way into finding some place that's going to make you some money today or tomorrow. You just don't know, because everything is dropping. So you're just left with flight. And to flight is to sell. And unfortunately, a lot of people that just got into investing, especially because this correction is coming so close to the GME hype from like a month ago.
Right.
Some people are going to get blooded in this market right now and they say, hey, I'm never going to invest again. And that should not be your perspective. I think that you should take this as a time to buy the companies you like at a discount. You like Apple, buy Apple. Use Apple products, buy it. Start with that now. If you're new to investing, you don't know what to go long in, find some everyday products that you use and go invest in it. The time is now. You wear Nikes, buy some Nike stock. Use an iPhone, buy some Apple stock. You drive a Tesla, buy some Tesla stock. Now, if you drive a Ford, I don't know if you should buy that stock, but you get what I'm saying. So just take this as an opportunity to look into these brands, because pretty much everything's on sale right now.
Yeah, man. If you did not buy any discounted shares, I don't know what to tell you. Anytime that you see a market correction or a red day, typically they happen on Fridays. That is the opportunity to buy, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there might be a slight pullback, but for sure there's going to be a pullback on Friday. So that's the opportunity to buy in. I mean, that's just the name of the game. You buy on red days and you sell on green days. I mean, I can't put it any simpler than that. Yeah, and like Chris said, when you start thinking about your investment portfolio or your investment strategy, think about the long term. You can't just always think about the short term gains. Think about when March 2020 happened. People wanted to get rich quick, so they bought in. A lot of people downloaded Robinhood and they downloaded Webull. Well, you gotta stop thinking about all that, right? Get you a Fidelity account, put your reading glasses on, like I've always mentioned, and start investing in companies that you believe in. If you're afraid to invest in individual companies, get you some ETFs. There are some great ETFs out there, like I've mentioned, FTEC, which is a Fidelity Tech ETF. Also, ARK Invest has some great ETFs out there that are gonna outperform that market. These are great buying opportunities. Get in on Monday if you can. This is the perfect time for you to start investing, just like March 2020.
So what do you say to the investor that's like this? They got their stimulus check, right?
Yeah.
The most recent one was $600.
Yeah.
They took that whole $600 and they invested in the stock market. Now they're down 25% of that. So now they're down to, I don't know, $450.
Yeah, man. Just hold, never fold. That's what I tell anybody in the stock market, right? It's had 100% recovery rate. Why would you take out your money when you put in $600 and then you take it out at $450? It's just not logical. So just wait, keep buying more stocks and wait until you get your money back. Get your $600 back. It's only a paper loss. It's not a loss unless you sell.
So let's explain paper loss a little more. So
Okay.
basically with paper loss, right? Yes, your portfolio has lost current day value, but you still own the same amount of shares in that company you did the day prior. So you don't lose until you sell, because those losses, you cannot count it, on your taxes until you sell and relinquish those shares to that company. So with stocks, you got to give it time to work.
Yep.
So right now it's a correction. Buy some stocks, make a list, 2 to 3 stocks you like, research those companies, buy them while they're on sale, and hold them. Don't buy any short-term plays right now. At least I don't recommend that. But again, what do I know? I am not a financial advisor.
And I'm not an expert.
Thank you guys for checking out this video on our thoughts on today's stock market and what you should do. Check into the next one. Peace.